Welcome to United Tractors Pekanbaru Branch. Before entering our area, please pay attention to the safety basic rules. Smoking is not allowed inside the building and in areas with no smoking signs, except in the designated smoking areas that have been provided. To keep you safe from fire hazard, we have provided several safety facilities. These include fire extinguishers, hydrants, fire alarms, and smoke detectors on every floor and work area. On the first floor, you will find counter cells, customer lounge, and SIA meeting room. The toilet is located next to it. Please follow the available safety instruction. Next, when you go up to the second floor, you will find the cashier, then several meeting rooms, such as Lencang Kuning room and Meranti room. In addition, there is a gym room and the employee area. The toilet is located outside the employees area. To enter areas like warehouse, workshops, you need to use personal protective equipment according to the type of hazard. This personal protective equipment includes helmet, safety glasses, shirts, gloves, and the last is safety shoes. In emergencies like fire and earthquakes, follow the evacuation route instructions to the emergency assembly point located in front of this building. The evacuation route can be through the main stairs inside the building or the emergency stairs on the right side of this building. United Tractors Pekanbaru Branch has a large yard, a mosque, a training center building and Bina Pertiwi, Kanitra Mart, Triatra building, and the last is canteen. Thank you for following this safety guide. Your safety is our responsibility, and don't forget, make sure it's safe.